Hi guys! Welcome back sa akin channel. So today, sorry guys, merong Skying! Ang daming bloopers. Sky, dito kay mama. Dito. Dito lang. You want to go out? Go out na, ang kulit-kulit mo. Hi guys! Welcome back sa akin channel. So today, it's somehow different naman because we're going to talk about books. Ayan. So basically, this one is my first ever book haul. Actually, it's collective haul. So since hindi ko siya kasi binili ng sabay-sabay. Ayan. So these books that I bought, nakita nyo naman, di ba? Naipon na siya kasi nga ang dami niya talaga. And basically, ito ay nabili ko through Pasabay. So, Pasabay group, ayun yung, what do you mean by Pasabay? Yung Pasabay, it means that you're asking or buying the products or item from someone or the seller on your behalf. So, since itong mga libre na to ay, mostly ay nabili ko through sa kanila. And then, these books are from Book Outlet and The Works and Amazon. Ayan. So, actually, ang sad lang kasi sa UK, alam ko mawawalan yung yung sa shipping cart. So anyway, before this video end, magbibigay ako ng surprise, a little surprise for you kasi we're going to have a book giveaway, book and bookmark giveaway. So since ito ay aking first ever book haul. So without further ado, ang haba ng intro ni Ante, ay mag-start na po tayo. So actually guys, papakita ko na lang sa inyo yung mga books randomly kasi itong books talaga na to ay bago lahat talaga sa akin. So, some of the authors, nakabasa na ako ng libro nila, pero mostly talaga hindi pa. So, ayan. So, random na lang natin ipapakita. So, first is itong selection series. Ayan. So, I think nakabasa ako before way back pa matagal ng isang book niya. And then, nagandahan naman ako sa kanya. Kaya, bumili ako ng the whole series niya. Ayan. Gusto ko siyang matapos at basahin. Penging Time. Ayan. So, ang ganda niya. So, I think Lowplex ko to nabili. Ang ganda niya, oh. See? Oh, di ba nice? Of course, see The Housemaid. Ayan. If you are Freda McFadden pa, Freda McFadden, ganun ba i-pronounce yung name niya? Ayan. So, ito siya. Meron siyang parang, na Housemaid's Wedding. I think si Millie ba? Yeah. So, ito, from UK to, ayan. Next. And of course, another from her, ayan. So, if hindi ka pa naka-follow sa aking mga social media platforms, especially sa Instagram, I have Bookstagram, doon ako nagbibigay ng mga reviews about the book that I have read. Ayan. So, follow nyo na ako. Made that muse. Made the muse. Hanapin nyo lang. Ayan. So, anyway, going back, ang dala ni Ante. Itong si One by One. Ayan. So, this is from UK as well, The Works. Ayan. And of course, and then ito again from The Works. Ayan. Ang ganda nito, guys. First Time Color by BK Borison. Ayan. Ang ganda niya kasi spray edges siya. Tapos may design yung kanyang I think this from The Works before. Ayan, nag-release na parang special ed or something like this. Ang ganda kasi ng edges niya. Ayan. Is again, I think this one from Ama UK naman. Ayan, The Lantern of Lost Memories by Sanaka Hiragi. Ayan, ang ganda niya, di ba? Ganda ng book. Kasi actually, ang aking heart is talaga sa cat, sa meow. Ayun. Tada, di ba? Ang ganda ng loob niya. Very, very Japanese talaga kasi you see the sakura, di ba? Dami sinabi ni Ante na naman. So next, dalian natin yung video to kasi marami tayong papakita. Ayan. So next natin is another Japanese lit with Love from the Murasaki Bookshop. I think itong book na to is collectible volume. So magkasama si Days at the Murasaki Bookshop and More Days at the Murasaki Bookshop. So, ayan yung sabi, ayan. I think this is from Ama UK also, ayan. Hardbound siya, ayan, ang ganda yung loob. Then, next is, dito na lang natin lagay. Ito guys, ang ganda niya kasi, ang ganda ng book talaga. Our Infinite Fates by Laura Steven, ayan. Diba? Ito guys, yung mapapakita ko tayo guys, wala akong idea kung anong story, ayan. Random ko talaga siyang binila, but before I buy, tinitignan ko muna yung synopsis niya, yan. Kasi doon ako nagbe-base kung nagpipick ba siya ng interest ko or what. But basically guys, I'm a mystery or thriller or psychological thriller, girly talaga. But I do love also fantasy books kasi I'm a Potterhead and of course, Percy Jackson, ayan. So anyway, ang dami ko na naman sinabi, Ante. So, ito, by Our Infinite Fates, Laura Steven. Oh, they've loved each other in 1,000 lifetimes. Mga ganun, bet. Yung parang mga, anong tawag dito? Magical realism ba tawag sa ganun? Yung different timeline. Alam niyo yung mga bet ko kasi, especially, Lovely Runner. Ayan, ang ganda niya. I'm not so sure if this is ito. Ang ganda ng loob niya. Ganda niya. Next, this is, ito, ano lang to, yung isa sa mga Bookstagram friends ko, sinuggest na about, this is The Girl Goddess Queen. Ano siya, parang retelling story ng, retelling ba tawag sa ganun, yung about sa mga Greek mythology. Ayan. Oh. Girl Goddess Queen by Bea Fitzgerald. Ayan. Ang ganda rin niya, guys. Diba, very pink. If you love pink, ang ganda niya, promise. Oh, diba? Oh, taray ng loob. Oh, diba? Ang ganda niya. I'm so happy with this all-purchase. Okay, next. Ito naman, yes. I think this new book of Freda McFadden is The Tenant. Ayan. So, syempre, fan ako niya. Freda McFadden. The Tenant. This is a Barnes & Nobles exclusive. Ayan. So, kung makikita nyo, yung sa mga market, I think the color is parang peach ba yun? Peach or orange or colorblind lang si Ante. Parang ganun yung kulay niya. Ayan. So, ito naman, so, since in Barnes & Nobles, ano siya, exclusive, iba yung color niya. Ang ganda niya. It's very blue, ano ba tawag sa blue-green ba tawag dito? Ayan. So, next is ito. Ito is sinadjust lang sa akin kasi, ulit, ayan. Marami akong naririnig na magandang review dito sa Half a Soul by Olivia Atwater. I don't know how to pronounce. This, parang fairy na parang Bridgerton, parang ganun yung theme niya. Ayan. So, I'm so excited to read this. I'm a Bridgerton fan. So, next naman, ito is The Wrong Bride. Ayan. So, I think sa Amazon US ko ito nabili. Ayan. Ayan, diba? Spray edges din siya. Ayan. I think this is a series, yeah. So, isa lang yung nabili kong libro kasi yun pala yung naka-sale and direct to PH. Ayan. So, ayan. Sa aking TikTok and Instagram, naglalagay din ako ng mga book mail ko. Ayan. So, maganda rin yata yung mga review dito. Next natin is yung this is a dark romance, The Carnal Urges. Ayan. The Devil Has Met His Match. Taray, diba? So, this is by J.T. J. Singer. I'm not so sure how to pronounce again. Correct me, guys. This is a Queen and Monster novel. So, I think this is a series because I have the book 1. Ayan. Hindi ko pa rin nababasa, guys. Diba? Kahingi pong time. Ayan. So, ayan po. Oh, color green naman. Yung book 1 nito, guys, is color purple naman siya. Yung second is color green. So, next natin, of course, ito I think nabili ko sa Amazon UK yan. Amazon US, I'm sorry. The Boys of Tommen series, the book 5 and the book 6. Si book 6, I think, kaka-release lang niya this year. Ayan, yung na-purchase ko is yung spine. Ayun, yung spine niya ganyan. Ito, hindi. Kasi mahirap na siya maghanap, guys, nung may color yung spine. Ayan. So, I got the book 5 and 6. I have the other book, so complete ko na siya. Hindi ko pa rin siya nababasa. Kasi gusto ko siyang basahin kapag complete ko na yung series. Ayan, para tuloy-tuloy, di ba? Ayan. So, I got them. The Ruthless Vows by Rebecca Ross. Ayan, this is a romantasy and then parang I have the book 1. Ayun, hindi ko pa rin siya nababasa again kasi nga natin ulit and pending time. Ito po ay parang nagsusulatan sila, parang ganun. Okay, next naman guys, ito ano ba to? Funny Story by Emily Henry. Ayan, I think this one is from UK. Ayan, the works again. Ayan, ang ganda niya. Di ba tagang nilalapit ko? Ganda niya, guys. Oh. This is, I think, a love story, a romance. Ayan. Daphne always loved the way Peter told their story. So yun. That is until it became the prologue to his actual love story with his childhood bestie, Petra. Ay. Anyway. Next is this one, The World Outside My Window. Actually, by Claire Swatman. Ayan. This is very new to me. Parang ano ko siya, yung binasa ko yung synopsis. If I remember, si ate girl, the FMC, is introvert. So, ayan. So, parang parang scared lang siya to go outside, to socialize. So, I think, for all the introvert girlies there, ayan, you can relate on this. But I haven't read this. Nabasa ko na yung synopsis. Ayan. So, next is Windy City series. Ayan. Actually, ang meron lang ako yung book. Ano ba to? I'm not so sure if this is the book 4. Ayan. Book 5. This is a play along by Liz Tomford. Hindi ko pa nabibigay, guys, yung other books. Kasi nga, ito lang yung meron sa The Work. So, inaabangan ko. But sadly, the UK will close yung the shipping card. So, I hope meron sa ibang app, you know what I mean. So, this is, ang cute niya, honestly. Kasi, kung makikita niyo dun sa cover niya, parang Pag ganun mo, mababasa mo yung play along. And next, syempre, itong Reappearance of Rachel Price by Holly Jackson. Ayan. Kung nabasa nyo or kung napanood nyo yung series ng Good Guy's Girl to Murder, ayan, siya yung author nun. Ito naman, iba yata. Di ko lang din sure kung connected to dun sa series. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda. Ganda niya kasi spray edges siya. And my design, the real, diba? Ang ganda, oh. Ayan. Next, ito, I think this is a new author. Close Protection by Eden Victoria. Ayan. Actually, binili ko to kasi ang cute niya. As a girly mahilig sa perfume, di ba? As a ante na, mommy na mahilig sa mga pabango. Ayan. Binili ko siya. Ayan. Dahil yata sa cover and sa design. Sorry naman, guys. But let's see. And then the spine design, ang ganda rin. Ang ganda niya, view. Parang kumikinang. And then the edges, it's nice too. Next naman, Miranda in Retrograde, di ba? Actually, binili ko to, Miranda in Retrograde by Lauren Lim. Binili ko to kasi, mahilig ako sa astrology and basta ko yung retrograde, di ba? Ang galing mo doon, ante, di ba? And then yung synopsis kasi niya, kasi, basahin ko lang. Could the love of her light be written in the stars? So, it's connected with astronomy, with astrology, because it's about stars, Mahilig kasi ako sa, ganun talaga, astronomy and astrology. Kaya ako siya binili. Ayan. So, I think mabilis lang ito basahin kasi manipis lang. Sana nga, as a slow reader, di ba? And then, books from Hannah Bonham Young. So, ayan, wala pa akong nabasang books niya. Ay, etong tatlong book na to. I think ito is a series siya. Next series yata tawag. Kasi nga naman, Next of Kin and Next to You. And then next is the Out on a Limb. I'm not sure again kung same siya. I mean, connected siya dito. Please comment down below. Ayan. So, ang cute kasi ng niya, no? Ng cover. And then the spine, di ba? Ganda rin. I mean, next is, of course, Book of Lucy Score. Ito, I think this is, again, a series. Itong The Dead Guy Next Door and the Corpse in the Closet. Ayan. Diba? Ang cute niya. Ang ganda ng color. So cute, Actually, may dalawang book pa to On the way pa lang. And of course, ito. Kasi, maraming dito, nagre-rave. Maraming, sabi maganda. Ayan. So, hindi talaga pa ako nakakabasa ng books ni Elsie Silver, pero I think siya, nasa cowboy side, ayan, if you love cowboy, mga ganun, mga romance cowboy, ayan, go for Elsie Silver, I think. Ayan, I complete the Chestnut Spring series, kasi nga naman, yun nga, as I mentioned, gusto ko pag nagbasa ako ng book, yung whole series talaga, para hindi ako mapag-isip, kasi minsan guys, ganun ako parang, oh, shocks, especially mystery thriller girl ako. Ang hirap makatulog, girl, ante, sa gabi, alam mo yun, kapag nag-iisip ako, anong next na nangyari? Kaya madalas, may insomnia si ate girl Charot. So, sinisi pa yung book. No, joke lang yun. So, ito, actually complete siya. Na-double lang si seller, but ibibigay niya sa akin, ibabalik ko sa kanya itong isang book. So, but complete. Kasama dyan yung Flawless. So, hindi ko sure kung tama yung pagkakaano. Basta, it's complete of Chestnut Spring series. Next, naman, dito naman tayo. Malapit na tayo matapos, guys. So, bear with me. Itong si Vera Wong's Unsolicited Advice for Murderers by Jessie Hugh Sutanto. Ayan. Diba? Kasi parang siya, nabasa ko yung parang solve mystery tapos pero si ante yung parang gusto makasolve yan. Diba? And then, yung One Dark Window by Rachel Gillig. Ayan. Is a Maiden, Monster, and Martyr. Ayan. I think this is a romantasy as well. Ayan. May book to. So, ito lang yung binili kong book 1 kasi gusto ko munang itry kung magugustuhan ko. Ayan. But I think nag-purchase ako yung special ed nito Kasi ang ganda niya, 'di ba? Parang sabi sa akin nung Bookstagram friend ko is about parang Gothic style na card captor sa Sakura, parang ganoon kasi may mga card siya, ayan. So, 'di ba? So next, of course, yung Blood Mark by Tracy Dion, ayan. So may book 1 ako nito. Pag nabasa ko na yung binabasang book ko, baka i-next ko yung book 1, ayan. I have this, the book 1, Legendborn. Ito yung book 2 niya, ayan. This is a YA, young adult fantasy, ayan. Scent of Jades and Dragons, ayan, by Amber Chen, ayan. So, itong mga books na pinapakita ko, guys, ito naman ay from Book Outlet, ayan. Diba? Ang ganda niya. Gantong mga retro dystopian ba tawag sa ganito? I'm not so sure kung dystopian mga ba to. Basta it's a fantasy, ayan. And then, ito naman, guys, Wish Stress. Binili ko to, guys, kasi parang na-intrigue ako sa niya, sa synopsis niya, kasi nga, her tears grant wishes. Her next year will end her life. O, diba? At the drop of your next year, you're cursed to die. Oh my God. Diba? Ang ganda niya. Next naman natin is itong Fangirl by Rainbow Rowell. Sobrang ganda ng books, guys. Hindi ko ina-expect na ganito kaganda. Kasi parang leather yata to. Hindi siya hardbound leather yata to. Hardbound na leather, yung ganun. Tapos ayan yung loob. Then you look at the it's the 10th anniversary edition of Fangirl. So matagal na siya. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda rin ng edges niya. Oh, diba? Read to me, sweetheart. Taray, gusto mo yon? Oh, ganda-ganda. Oh. Ang ganda niya, guys. Next is The Spell Shop by Sarah Beth Durs. Yan. It takes a village to open a heart and just someone to steal it. Taray, ayan. This is, I think, romantasy as well. But more on, I think, fantasy. Ayan. So, ang cute niya, oh. Ganda. And then, spray edges as well. Purple, if you love purple. And of course, ito namang Heaven Breaker by Sarah Wolf. Ayan, di ba? Ganda niya, oh. Yung pagka-spray niya, ang deal taas. Kasi, di ba, minsan may ibang sprayed edges na hindi buo. Pero ito, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa ganito eh. Pero, B, ang ganda B. I cannot stop there, but I can make it think twice. Gusto mo yun? Okay, last two pile. Next naman, of course, by Abby Jimenez na Just for the Summer and Yours Truly. Ayan. Parang nakaka-ose yung libro, no? Parang both, same publisher, pero hindi pantay yung book. Yun lang. So, ayan, hindi pa ako nakakabasa din ng mga books niya, pero sabi, maganda naman daw. Ayan. So, I have the Part of Your World ba yun? So, ayan. Next natin is itong The Very Secret Society of Irregular Witches by Sangum Mandana. Ayan. And medyo mahilig din ako sa mga gantong theme, guys, na books. Yung parang witchy-witchy, yan. Next is itong Juniper Hill by Devney Perry. Ayan. This one is Eden series yata ang tawag. I have the book one, yung Indigo Ridge. Ayan. Sabi nila maganda to, parang romance din siya, pero parang may sinusolve silang case, parang mga ganon, ayan. So, I'm excited to read this, guys, kasi maraming, nagsasabi na maganda rin to, ayan. This is the book 2 pala, guys. But, I think there are 5 books or 4, I'm not so sure again. Yung ibang books kasi mahal pa, so nag-aantay tayo ng sale ante, ayan. So, yung mga books ko pala nabili, guys, from Book Outlet, mostly naka-sale yun. Yung nag-sale sila ng $5.49. Ayan. So, abangan yung mga sale ng mga Book Outlet, ayan, Amazon, yung mga Prime sale, ayan, para makatipid kayo, guys. Yun ang tip ko sa inyo. Anyway, back to haul, diba? The Magic of Lemon Drop Pie by Rachel Linden. Eto, guys, binili ko to kasi binasa ko Hypnosis. Hindi ko na maalala, guys. Pero, parang maganda siya. Parang, it's a romantasy as well. Siyempre, ang famous na The 7 Years Sleep by Ashley Poston. Diba? Ang dami ko nakikita sa book talk, sa bookstagram na talagang nagre-rave dito. Kasi magical realism na romance na tawag dito, iba yung timeline. Parang, ang sabi nga nila, if you do love a Lavery Runner, you can read this. So, I'm excited about this. Diba? Next is Archer's Voice by Mia Sheridan. Ayan. So, meron ako nitong yung special edition, yung Nate, parang nakaganon. So, ayan. Bago ko bilhin yun, nabili ko na to. Ayan. So, ayan, this is from Book Outlet. Ayan. And of course, the Bridgerton series. Ayan. Oh my God. Ang ganda niya, guys. Pero ang bigat. Diba? Pag may kaaway ka, dali mo itong dalawa. Kasi pompya mo sa ulo. Hindi, charot lang. Actually, hindi ko pa nababasa yung libro ng Bridgerton series. Pero napanood ko lang and super duper love ko talaga. Especially yung Season 1, kasi nga, di ba, si Duke of Hastings. So, I got the book 1, at in the book 2. Ayan, ang kapal niya pala, no? Hindi ko alam, I think this is a combined, yeah. This is a combined series na. So, parang 1, 2, 3, 4. So, The Duke and I, and the Viscount Who Loved Me, An Offer from a Gentleman, and a Romancing Mr. Bridgerton. So, this is total of book 4 na siya. Naka-combine na siya, ayan. Ang ganda niya, guys. Promise. And then, mura lang. Nabili ko lang sa Book Outlet. Kaya maghintay ka ng sale. Next is Happy Place by Emily Henry. And then, combine na natin. And The Rom-Comers by Catherine Center. Ayan. So, ang ganda ng kanilang mga book, diba? Very neon color. Ayan. Etong si Catherine Center, yung kanya is spray edges yun. Meron dyan sa Book Outlet. And then, this one is the normal lang. Ayan. Ganda, diba? Hindi pa ako nakabasa ng mga books nila, but nakikita ko rin sa review na magaganda yung book nila. Kaya ako nag-purchase. And of course, is all The Things We Do in the Dark by Jennifer Hiller is, of course, is a psychological thriller, mystery thriller again. You know me, that's my genre. And next is itong Obsidian by Jennifer L. Armentrout. Tama ba yung pronunciation? Armentrout. Ayan. So, ayan siya. This is spray edges as well. Hanggang yan. Ang ganda. Hardbound. Ang ganda niya. And yes, last but not the least, dito na tayo sa stock na to. Ayan. Itong The Nightborn Duet series. I think yun yung kanyang yung kanyang, or Crowns of Naxia. I'm not so sure. So, I got the book 1 and book 2. This one from UK and this one from US. So, diba? Ang weird lang. So, The Serpent and the Wings of Night and then The Ashes, the Stars, and the Stars Curse Skin. Ayan. By Carissa Bromlett. Sabi nila maganda to. Ayan. It's a fantasy again. Romantasy. And of course, I got the Powerless and the Powerful. By Lauren Roberts. Actually, guys, ang ganda nito. Actually, binabasa ko na tong si Powerless. Kasi nga, na-intrigue ako. Sobrang ang daming nagre-rave sa kanya sa book na to. And magkakaroon na siya ng series. I think series or movie. And I'm so excited kasi so far, nagugustuhan ko naman yung book. Kita nyo naman, di ba? May mga annotation pa ako. Ayan, ang ganda lang itong first. Kasi nang nabili ko to sa The Works, ayan, spray edges siya. Ang ganda, di ba? Ayan. I think hindi na sila naglalabas ng gantong edition. And then, of course, the novela. This is short story. Yata. Oo. Ayan. So, I got this from UK. And of course, last but not the least, the books that I got from Pasabay is the Empyrean series. Ayan. Ito kasi, honestly, hindi ko pa nabasa, pero sobrang tagal na nito at ang daming talaga magagandang review dito and hopefully magustuhan ko siya. Kasi nga, as a mahilig ng dragon, diba? Eragon and then, Game of Thrones era. And this one is the Fourth Wing, Iron Flame, and of course, the Onyx Storm, ayan. So, nabili ko siya, hindi different. See, the Fourth Wing, nabili ko sa The Works. Ayan, ang ganda niya. Ang ganda rin yung talaga niya. And then, si Iron Flame from Book Outlet, ayan. Hindi lang siya spray edges. Nagulat ako, guys, kasi ang kapal niya. Oh, diba? Hindi ko ina-expect, Ayan, ang kapal. Of all the books, ito yata yung pinakamakapal. And then, next is ito nabili ko from Ama US, I think. And this one is the spray edges. Ang ganda niya. Sana nga kinulay ko yung, yung full series na ganito yung style. Kasi ang ganda. Kaso iba kasing seller ang mahal magbenta. Anyway, so, that's it guys. Ang ating first book ever haul. Ito na yung pinakihintay nyo, yung ating giveaway mechanics. So, these are the mechanics. And before that, so, papakita ko muna sa inyo kung ano yung mapapalunan nyo. So, ayan. Ito ang mapapalunan nyo, Archer's Voice by Mia Sheridan. And then, ito pang, syempre, bookmark. Ayan. So, mechanics guys. So, make sure is you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video, and then of course you like or you follow me to all my social media platforms that are in the description box. And of course, ito, bibigyan ko kayo ng question. So what are your 5-star books this year? So please comment down below. I want to hear all your comments, all your suggestions pa ng mga books para matabunan ako ng mga libro. Hindi, charot lang. So ayun, kung ano yung mga books or your books na nabasa nyo na 5-star this year. Ayan. So, ayan. Please comment down below. And also, this giveaway is for only PH residents. So, ayan. So, lahat lang sa mga residents ng Philippines. So, ayan. So, outside of the country, so I cannot ship them to other country, only in here, Philippines. So thank you again, guys, for today na sinamahan nyo ako dito sa aking first ever book collective haul. Ayan. So, yun lamang, guys. So, I hope you enjoy this video and then please join my giveaway kasi nga maganda yung book na ito. Ayan, maraming nagsasabing maganda to. And then, super cute din naman ng bookmark, So, ayun, yun lamang guys. So, see you on my next video guys. Bye!